Nigerians, listen to me. I am tired of receiving messages that I am trying to disintegrate the country. That is not the message, and that's not what I am doing. You are misinterpreting it. I am an Igbo man from River State. We have always believed that Bini people are our brothers. Igbo people are not our brothers. In fact, when their name is being mentioned, people from the southeast, we should, keep away from them. But we speak the same language, the same cultural heritage. The 4 market days they practice in Igbo land, in southeast, the same thing we practice. Their masquerade, the same with ours. We speak the same language. The only thing different is dialect, which is normal. It is not a problem when we say we are Bini. It is not a problem when we say we are brothers with Yorubas. It's not a problem even when we say we are brothers to Fulani or Hausa. But the moment we say we are Igbos, it becomes a problem. We cannot unite with them. I don't know what is going on. What are you people afraid of? Let us know if there is something that you are scared of. We are one, and we are not trying to disintegrate the country, because a Yoruba man in the whole country is not Bini, but a Yoruba man. An Hausa man or Fulani man in the whole country remains a Fulani man, not a Bini. Why is it that an Igbo man in the country, in River State, should be a Bini man, not an Igbo man? I don't understand it. Make it to make sense to us. I bear Igbo name. I speak Igbo. Igbo tradition is what our people practice. So telling our people that we are not Bini people, we are not, that we are Igbo, I don't think there is a problem in that. And there is no message in all my videos that I am asking people to, I'm asking us to disintegrate. No. You have to understand this. And the more you are sending me all those messages that I am trying to disintegrate the country, it makes me to wonder if actually we are important. If there is any agenda that is not for, that is just meant specifically to stop the Igbo people. If there is nothing like that, then there should not be any panic for we in the River State that speaks Igbo, that are Igbo people, to join our brothers, because those people in the southeast are not more Igbo than us. They are not more Igbo than us, and this is what they are making us to believe. People are making us to believe we are one people, and the same right they have as an Igbo man is the same right we have as Igbo, because Igbo is one. Igbo bofu. We speak the same language. So please, I wouldn't want to be receiving such messages again. I want to clear it for the final time. I am not disintegrating anything. I'm only asking our people to understand that we are one people with the Igbo people. We are not different. And we should see them as one. If we say we are Bini, it's okay. If we say we are Yoruba, it's okay. But the moment we say we are Igbo, it becomes a problem. Come on, stop all these things. Let us see ourselves as one. Thank you. Igbo Pen, Igbo Pozwon, Igbo Amaka. That is who we are. Thank you so much.